response questions. What 2 questions are you going to see in the free response tomorrow? Tangent line and approximation. Okay, stay tuned. That was one of them though. Okay, check full for unfinished con. Okay, just check your con. I should have contacted you if you're missing con. But in the rare instance that I didn't, and you still do, just check. Okay. Hey, you've seen this 6 times before. What do I need to do today to perform at a high level tomorrow? Okay, hopefully you've been doing this pretty consistently throughout the unit, but definitely time to focus today. Get everything done you have to do. Uploading still is the same. Taking pictures, using the photo/video option. No videos, please. Don't want interpretive dance or anything like that. Okay, exam tips still apply here, right? If we get something super duper funky, although I would say you could do a U-sub and do this by hand, but don't waste your time if you have a calculator, right? If they're asking you to integrate something like this, do an F9. And just a side note, it's a trig function. Don't forget to be in radian mode. Those physicsy type people, you might be in degree mode, so careful about that. And then when you get a decimal answer, 3 places or more. Okay, just be correct that you have the correct decimals, right? Correctly rounded, that sort of thing. No calculator for responses. We might see functions like this, which are still kind of complicated. Do you see the chain rule here? Or the U-sub here, right? Same thing here. Do you see the U-sub, i.e. reversal of the chain rule, right? Here and here, because of the minus x. This is just a power rule, or reversal of a power rule. So expect U-subs. Kind of like last semester when I was saying expect the chain rule, right? When you're differentiating, expect a U-sub or a reversal. We're kind of calling it 2 things, right? We're either calling it a reversal of the chain rule or a U-sub. Expect that. That's just 2 ways of saying the same thing. So like for this first one up here, this would be let U equal x squared, right? And then you go from there. Okay, answer forms. I got really specific. Usually I just say, hey, answer forms. Take it easy on yourself, right? Here is that tangent line approximation question, right? So we get our derivative because we have our differential equation. We have dy dx equals somewhere in the question stem, right? And then we plug it into our point slope form of the equation of a line, right? Which is right there, right in front of Jalen, up at the top there, above the bulletin board, below that outlet, because everyone should have an outlet near their ceiling. Why, I'm not sure. But we're gonna use that slope intercept form. They actually simplified it, totally unnecessary. But just keep in mind the answer is 7/6. But if you simplified your equation, you can just plug in a 3.5 there and be done. Okay, walk away. I get to do the computation. You don't have to. In fact, I wouldn't have even gone that far. I would have just done this. I would have put 3.5 right here with the x and walked away from it. This is a numeric answer, and you can let the grader figure out if the right numbers are in the right spots to get the right answer. Okay, so take advantage of those time saving tips. That's it for that screen. Okay, this is also the same. So what was the other one? Concavity. That was the other one, right? We want to see if you can take a differential equation, in other words, just a derivative, and do a product or a quotient rule. Remember your y primes, all that good stuff. Okay, and then we usually tack on a, hey, what's happening? Is it concave up or concave down in the second quadrant? We have to know that x negative and y is positive and all that stuff. Okay, So same old stuff, 30 minutes for each, give or take, right? We gave you a timer to help pace yourself, but we don't knock you out. And but for the most part, you're staying pretty true to 30, 31, 32 minutes. So I'm giving you some upload time there. So yeah, I think you're staying pretty true to form there. So that's all that stuff, tangent line and approximation question and concavity on free response as well. I should put it on FRQ. I'm working on Unit 8 Day 1 notes, so you'll be able to pick those up Friday. And home crew, I'm hoping to actually have them done today, so I hopefully will be able to put them out front today for you. Okay, last one. Do free response at the end of note packet several times, right? We're working for efficiency now. We're working for, hey, I see a question and I know what to do. I don't have to sit there and dig through notes or something like that. Review multiple choice, do multiple choice progress check. I think there's only one. Usually there's an A and a B. I think there's only one for this unit. It's kind of a short unit. Review previous quizzes. You can go in there. If you haven't taken the retakes, you can go in and take them. Redo circuits / problem sets and notes. So all those topic questions. Don't forget these resources, because you can have, I'm letting you have them out during the test. We still don't really know what they're going to let you do in May. We know it's going to be a normal quote unquote test, 6 questions, calculator and no calculator, a total of 40 multiple choice, no calculator and calculator, which is normal. You know, last year was not normal. So we know it's going to be a normal test. We just don't know what sort of other criteria, like, are they going to let you use stuff, not let you use stuff? I am not sure. But anyway, this is just a good summary technique of making a summary sheet, and you can have it out tomorrow, and we're crossing our fingers. Maybe you can use it in May. All right. Oh, I guess that's it. All right. So you've got 2 free response questions as part of your review, as well as multiple choice questions in the College Board account.